My name is Mita, but sometimes I'm Mora. Mita plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder. Hello. Hi. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And if you like my channel, Miss Thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, guys. And don't forget, I have unlocked community chat, and if you hit that notification bell, you will get notified every time I post a poll, and you will have say in the next video, Miss Thing, and you get to vote on what you want to see, Miss Thing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, or thumbs down. Engagement is engagement, and I invite it all, Miss Thing. So how's you doing, Miss Thing? Hey guys, how have you been? It is so good to be back. I am happy, I am flourishing, and I am dishing out these videos, Miss Thing. So today, Miss Thing, okay, for the longest, guys, I have looking what? What you say?
What you say?
I'm sorry if my voice is a little raspy, guys. I am getting over laryngitis, so you guys know it takes a while to heal. I have been looking for some type of skincare cleaning system. I have been really heavy into skincare lately, guys, and just taking care of my skin. You know, it's always good to use makeup, guys, but it's even better to take care of your skin underneath, just to make sure you have a smooth makeup application and you don't got to worry about nothing, Miss Thing. I'm looking very tan today, Miss Thing. I wanted to give La Cosa and match it to my body, because you guys know I have a very pale white face and my body is always, you know, a little more tan than my face. So I wanted to match my body today. Giving very body. Look. Look at Howard. Howard's like, Miss Thing, I'm not even bothered with you, La Cosa. So guys, I was sent this Radiance skincare system. Let me just come up close and show you what this looks like. And this is the back of the box. It comes with 4 interchangeable accessories: facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, and a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, guys. Yes. It does not come with batteries, so I took the liberty of going and purchasing some AA batteries. Okay, guys, so this is water resistance. The company is as follows: Duvolle.com. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I will put it right here. Guys, don't forget to check the description for a link. They did give me a 70% off coupon code on all styling tools and Radiant skincare system, guys. I will have all the links in the description box, guys, so definitely check that out. And to Duvolle, I want to send a huge thank you so much for sending me your system to review, and giving my subscribers a coupon code really means a lot to me. So guys, if you're interested, check it out in the description down below. Now let's get right into this review, guys, and see what she's giving. I have a full face of makeup, and I did this on purpose because I wanted to see what this system is giving and how clean it was really going to leave my face. So let's open this puppy up. So as I'm opening her up, she has a okay, that's good. It's very sturdy. So as you can see, it takes 4 batteries. Okay, good. So I have just enough. I bought just enough batteries to get into this puppy. And this, I have to say, it does feel very sturdy, very good. It does feel good, like good quality, guys. So far, so good. Now, it has an on button. There's an on button and off button. Okay, so I'm just going to lower the lighting a little, guys, so you can see a little more of the product. When I come up close, there you go. You can see the color and stuff like that. So there you go. Now I am going to get the cleansing brush. So I just want to see here. This is the body cleansing brush. This is the cleansing brush. So this is what we're going to use to cleanse off my makeup today. And then this is the exfoliating brush. We will use this next. And then this is the pumice stone. Okay, So I'm going to take you guys to my bathroom with me, and let's get started cleaning off this makeup and see what she's giving. Hey guys, so we are in my bathroom. So the soap that I use, guys, I use Dove Bar soap. So that is what I'm going to use for this. I'm going to turn on the water. I like to use warm water first to get all the gunk out of my face. Oops, there goes my toothpaste. So first, I have to wait because my water temperature is not that great, so I have to let it run for a little before I can get a good temperature. So I'm gonna turn this puppy on. It has a on and off button. So this is the circle's the off button, and the straight part is the on button. Okay, and that's what it looks like when it's spinning. So I'm gonna let it get some soap on there while it spins on the soap. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my face. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the water because I don't want to waste water. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to cleanse my face. Now I cannot see what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. But yeah. Okay guys, now I feel like the face cleanser, for me, it feels very, very nice. I'm not gonna lie. This feels nice, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna just get in there. I like the fact that it's small and I can get all that eye makeup off, guys. That is what I'm loving right now. I know I probably look crazy right now. And I did have my ring light in here, so you guys are like seeing every inch of my face. But this is what I like about this small cleansing brush, is that it gets in the eye. So now I'm going to turn on the water, still it's warm. And I'm going to wash off my face. Makeup wipes, right? So look, it took off pretty much a lot of the eye makeup on this side. Like usually when you have that much makeup, it takes a while. So as you can see, the brush is ridiculously dirty. So I'm just gonna wash that brush off. I'm gonna get some more soap on there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and keep cleansing my face. Again, going in circular motions. That's what the directions say. You gotta go in circular motions. So going in circular motions. I gotta say though, it does feel good. Get that lipstick off. I just hope this part of my eye comes off. The other side came off fairly easy. Let me turn this off because I left it on before. Now I'm gonna cleanse my face. Just rinse it off. Oh. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my nails to get off that eyelash glue for my eyelashes. And that came right off, guys. Slid right off of my face. Oh, wow. This brush really got all that gunk out of my face from the makeup. My face was really, really clean, guys. Now it does have a palming stone and a facial scrubber, but I don't, not a facial scrubber, exfoliating brush, but I don't have an exfoliator. I don't really exfoliate my face because I have really dry skin and it tends to burn my skin. If anything, as you can see, I was just cleansing my face and it's already very red and irritated. But I have to say, guys, look at all the dirt that it got off of my face. Oh, I'm loving that. So as you can see, the brush stood dirty. I cleaned it twice with soap and it stood dirty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some makeup remover solution and I will be right back. Okay guys, so how you want to treat this brush is how you would treat a makeup brush. I got some cucumber soothing, calming, micellar cleansing water, and this is what I use for my brushes, to clean my brushes. It's makeup remover pretty much. And so what I do is I put some makeup remover on it, and then I put it on my hand. If you have a brush cleaner, you can use that too. So definitely you want to treat this like you would treat any makeup brush, which makes sense because it is a brush, you know what I'm saying? And it's coming out really clean. It's taking out all the makeup out of my brush, which I am really loving. So as you can see, it took out all that dirt. See it? Sorry, it's so far. You see, guys? It took out all the makeup. So that is good, guys. We got to clean this makeup off this brush. So again, guys, don't forget to go check it out if you like this brush cleaner and you like the way it left my face nice and clean. I kind of got like a little glow going on there. It did clean my face very good. Don't worry about my redness. I have natural redness because I have extremely dry skin and oily skin in my T-zone, but I really like this cleansing brush. I think it works really good. It's probably better to use it to not take off makeup. I will use it to take off makeup and then just soak the brush tip afterwards with maybe some oil and some brush remover. But yeah, you use it however you see fit, guys. Again, guys, I have a coupon code in the description box down below for 70% off, so definitely go check that out, guys. I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.